Hello and welcome to this new video on how to block Temu emails. If you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there is a search bar. Click on the search bar and you just have to type Temu and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search result will be shown to you. Just click on the first search result and it will take you to the official website of Temu. And when the interface is shown to you, you just have to look in the top right hand side. There is orders and account option. Just click on there and another interface will be opened. Now you just have to look on the left hand side and just scroll down to the bottom until you see notifications, and when you see notifications just click on there and the notification section will be opened. So as you can see, notifications are on for different things, that is like promotions, order updates, chat messages, your recommendation, customer activities and avatar settings. So in the first four, you will be able to see that email notification is on for all of them. So in order to turn off the email notification, you just have to go to the right hand side where there is a edit button. Just click on the edit button and here it says the email frequency that is currently normal. You just have to click on the none and the email notification has been turned off. And same thing you have to do for other three as well. I'll just show you by doing it. You just need to turn off the email notification. And now for chat messages, again go to the edit on the right hand side, turn off the email notification. And now for your recommendation, again go to the right hand side in the edit button, click there and just click on the none and all of your email notification has been turned off. So this is how you can easily block Temu emails. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.